December 18, 1944. The German offensive in the Ardennes is in full swing. SS Obersturmbannführer Joachim Peiper's spearhead needs to capture the town of Stavlet and its vital bridge. His mission: secure a route to Allied fuel dumps. His problem: American defenders are waiting. This is the story of a brutal 48-hour fight for a bridge, where daring tank charges, desperate infantry battles, and a commando raid in disguise would decide the fate of this key crossroads. Peiper, in his heavy King Tiger, needs speed. He orders the faster Panther tanks to charge the bridge at full speed. The Panthers roar down the main road, firing across the river, but the Americans are dug in. An M157mm anti-tank gun ambushes the lead Panther, damaging its engine. The second Panther rams and crushes the gun position, buying just enough time. With the path momentarily cleared, Peiper's heavy King Tigers begin to rumble across the bridge. Peiper enters Stavlet, but finds the crucial northern fuel dump destroyed by retreating U.S. engineers. Furious and still needing gasoline, he makes a critical decision. He pushes west with his main force, leaving the town lightly defended. This gamble wouldn't pay off. American reinforcements, Sherman tanks, M10 tank destroyers, and infantry arrive from the north. They pour fire into the German positions in the town. The outnumbered German garrison radios for help. That help arrives in the form of Obersturmführer Jürgen Wessel and a company of King Tigers, but crossing the bridge is a deadly puzzle. As Wessel's lead Tiger moves, an M10 scores a lucky hit, jamming its gun. Disoriented, the heavy tank reverses through a house. With the bridge bottlenecked, American P-47 Thunderbolts dive from the clouds, rocketing the column. The German advance stalls completely. Meanwhile, Peiper, learning Stavlet is under attack, orders a battalion under Knittel to turn back and help. As night falls, the bridge becomes a deadly nook. In a famous incident, German commandos from Operation Stilo, wearing American uniforms, try to cross in captured jeeps. Their deception fails, and they are cut down. With German attacks from the south and west intensifying, the Allied commanders make a fateful call. If they can't hold the bridge, they'll destroy it. Under heavy fire, U.S. engineers dash underneath, planting explosives. A massive blast echoes through the valley. The bridge is gone. The destroyed bridge severed Peiper's lifeline. Isolated, low on fuel, and with Allies closing in, his mission collapsed. He was forced to abandon his vehicles and retreat on foot. In Stavlet itself, without support and hammered by American armor, the German counterattacks failed. Knittel's forces, suffering heavy losses, were ordered into full retreat. The defense of Stavlet, led by soldiers and engineers who refused to break, had stopped a critical spearhead of the German offensive in its tracks. The fight for Stavlet was more than a tactical battle. It was a battle of logistics, of engineering, and of sheer will. It showed that even in the face of fearsome King Tigers, determined defenders could blunt the advance of a notorious spearhead. What's the most incredible defensive stand you've studied? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more deep dives into the pivotal moments of history, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm Rana Asif, and you've been watching The Deep Dive. See you next time.